Hello, happy Friday everyone. I'm here with a new free laser design. Today, I'm going to create poop bag holder. Free download in the description. You can download more Halloween earrings on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month. Let's cut this design. First, open the file on your software and specify the correct settings. Then, cut the design as needed. Remember that you will need to set the settings for your laser. But if you are using Xtool D110W, you can use my settings. Make sure to wear eye and face protection when working on a laser. After I cut out the design, I added a carabiner to the design so that I could connect it to the dog leash. Everything works perfectly. I didn't show the bag of poop in the video, but know that it holds perfectly. Now enjoy the final result. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. You can download more Halloween earrings on Etsy at 75% off with the promo code YouTube Sale 75. The promotion will last for a month.